Hi guys, it's Camping with Travis here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to light a fire, how I light a fire. So, first step, grab some real small kindling, then some more medium to large kindling. Not big pieces of wood that you chuck on later once your fire's going. You don't need those. You do that when your fire's going, but at the moment it's not going, so we're going to get it going. So first step, so what I've done here is I've just gotten 3 pieces of wood, laid them like that, that. They've got another piece, 2 pieces, and gone like that and like that. They've got another piece over the top of that centre piece that goes like that. So now you're going to need some handy dandy matches. Make sure you got at least a couple. And some fire lighters. If you haven't got any fire lighters, it's very hard to get going without fire lighters. There is other methods you can try, but it would be very hard. So what I'm going to do is all you need is 2 fire lighters, by the way. Only 2. It's enough. So I'm just going to put it in here where there's like a little cube. The cube goes in like a square. Same over here. Right, so I'm going to get a match. So with the matches, they have a wood end. So you want to hold it at the end like that. And that red bit and this bit here, you go like that, and it lights. And then you go like that and that. So I'm going to do that now. It's very windy. This is why you need at least a couple matches. Oh, jeez. Oh. Got a bit sidetracked there. Thought something shot off to my right. Right, this will be it. Oh, it's so windy. I'm going to have to stand over here. It's that windy. I'm going to waste too many matches. Oh. Going. Come on, light. Right, so now it's going, but not very good. So I'm just going to try and cover it with my hands without getting burnt, just so it can actually start burning, because it's very windy, although it doesn't look very windy. So where I'm placing my sticks, I'm just placing them over the top. So when the flames reach up, it actually burns on them. They actually catch on fire. Put some sticks going the other way. Like that. It's probably going to go out. Just like that. Also, when you're lighting any type of fire, be careful where you put your hands, as you do not want to get burnt. Enough there. So now I'm going to choose a piece of our more slightly bigger kindle wood. Wait, this one. Now I'm going to put that on top. Now that the small stuff is pretty much all burnt, all these tiny sticks that I put on. Throw some more on. Do not stand in the smoke, this is very smoky. Oh, it's following me. Right, there we go. We're out for the minute. Oh, that's a bit better. So there you go. That is how to light a little campfire. So this is, when I mean by bigger stuff, I mean stuff bigger than that. That's probably the smallest. That's probably too large for medium kindling. So I'm not going to use that just yet. You like to keep with this stuff first to keep it going. But sometimes it may be very hard, especially if you've got strong winds like it is right here. But that concludes today's video. So if you like this video, be sure to like, comment, subscribe and share. Alright, see you next time. Bye.